SimplySherry and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to do a quick update from my rolling project pan. So if you guys want to see the progress that I made this month, then stay tuned for the video. You'll have to excuse my appearance. I'm not feeling the best, so I'm still in my pajamas. My hair is just back. I'm just going to do this quickly. I got a hair from the cat, I think, on my mouth. Anyway, we're just going to do this quickly and get through it. I can't get that. There, I got it. Okay, so yeah, let's just update the progress. So my Fenty Heat Lip Gloss, it's the same amount. It's still 32 grams. I did use it once or twice, but it seems like it's probably the packaging. It takes forever for that to go down. The e.l.f. product, the e.l.f. powder, it was and still is 59 grams. I'll just show you guys what it looks like. There's what it looks like. So I was concentrating on another powder, so I wasn't using that one as much. The next product is the Mark Andy powder. This is gone. I can't get any more out of there. It's completely gone. That's why I didn't use up the e.l.f. one, because I was using up this one. So that is an empty. So progress, yay! The next product is my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is also gone. Finally, it's all used up. So there's 2 empties for this month. That's incredible. The next product is the Too Faced Candy Cane Melted Matte Lippy. Weird enough, this was 30 grams last month. It's 31 this month, and I know I used it a bit, but I guess it's dispersed differently in the packaging, and sometimes the heat will make it expand, so that's probably what's going on there. The next is the Charlotte Tilbury Balm. Last month it was 11, this month it's 12, so cream product, same story. The next product is this Jelly Blush. It was 25 last month, it's 25 this month. I didn't really use it, I was using other blushes. Same with the Rare Beauty Bronzing Stick. This one was another one that went up in size. And I did use this a couple times, but it was 36 last month, it's 37 this month, so it is what it is, I guess. LANEIGE Gummy Bear Lippy. This is 8, and it was 8 last month. So I'll show you guys, though I am getting progress in this. The product is just spread around, so I'm hoping this next month this will be empty. Alright, the next product was my Sephora brown eyeliner. I never sharpened it yet. So it was 4 last month, it's 4 this month, so that's the same. So, you know, I'm using products, but I'm not making as much progress on them. But because I have 2 empties this month that I'm adding into my empties, I have to roll in 2 new products. So I'm going to roll in this Neutrogena, because it's that time of year anyway, so I'm going to use in the Ultra Sheer Face Sunscreen. This is expired in December anyway, so it's time to use it up. And this is starting out at 107 grams. So we're going to add that in. And then last but not least, oh, I left it on the scale. I'm going to use it, add in this AOA Green Tea Plus Vitamin E Cleansing Balm. I got this on Shop Miss A, but you can buy it on Amazon as well. This is starting out at 62 grams. I think most of it's the packaging, but this is kind of a give me product for this month. There's what I have left. So I'm hoping, depending on how much I wear makeup, I should be able to get that used up relatively quick. So anyway, that is my update for my project rolling pan. Did you guys finish up anything this month? Let me know down below. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.